Hello everybody, today we're gonna open the alldocube iPlay 20. This is the Pro edition, but they are the same, the iPlay 20 normal and the Pro edition. Okay, we're gonna open and replace the battery. We have here a new battery. This is from AliExpress. Okay, you're gonna need some tools for this, some sharp tools. These are tools that you open mobile phone. These two. Okay, first I'm gonna put this cover so I can put it to the screen down. I already opened it earlier. Okay guys, you have to put this sharp tool just between these margins and try to force it a little bit. Before that, you need to remove the card from the space and free the space, and then you can try to open it. You can try with your nail, but I think it's a little bit harder, or with a sharpened phone tool. You can try to put it between this and easily go through this, then on all the sides, and then the cover will come off. The back cover looks like this. There are no screws holding the cover. Then you will have this. The screen remains with the main board, the battery, and the rest of the pieces. Okay, this is the battery. It has 4 screws. We have to remove the screws. You will need a little screwdriver, just like this. The screws you have no need for. Okay, after we remove the screws, we have to take this out, and this is the battery, the old battery, the original battery that the tablet comes with, 6000 milliamperes. Okay, out with the old and in with the new. We have this battery from AliExpress, how I told you earlier. This new battery doesn't have these screw spaces, and we have this. I think they are adhesive bands. Yes, that's double adhesive bands. Yes, exactly. Oh, special pins for battery. Okay, we'll put this here. Put it back in this space. Okay, and now let's see if it works. Let's make a test. And it starts. It's pretty easy to change the battery. Okay. We have here 51% charged, and I think it works fine. Okay, this is my son's tablet. It's a 2-year-old tablet, but it's still okay. We have here the battery, 51%, and it looks okay. It works. The new battery is okay. We're gonna shut down the tablet. Power off. Okay. And finish the assemble. We're going to try to fix this cable so it won't bother us with this band. Let's see if it works. It looks okay. I think it looks okay. I don't really know how to put these, but I think I'll put them here. I'm gonna take a pair of scissors and cut this into 2 pieces. I'm gonna split them so I can put them easier. Okay, I think I'm gonna put here one and here the other. Yes. Okay guys, this was it. This is the new battery. Now we're gonna put the back cover on. We have the screws left, no need for them. Now the back cover, you have to verify the buttons, the volume buttons and the power on button to be here. Okay, and now we're gonna put it back. You just have to press a little, press it all by all the sides. Okay. And this is it. The alldocube 20 with a new battery and a new life. Okay. The tablet is assembled, and now we just put back in the SD card. Okay. Put it back in. I think it's the other way around. This is it. And now another power on, and this should be it. Let's see here, 51% like earlier. Let's go to settings. We have here battery, 51%. Okay, for now it works good. Let's see. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.